Go, another episode of Bracing the Suck, but there is a lot of good to it. What happened was today, I was supposed to carpool with my wife, but she went ahead on to work, and now I'm stuck here at home, and I had some choices. What am I going to do? Get a ride to work, get a taxi, wait till she comes home and go on to work around 4, stay there till midnight, I don't know. And then I prayed about it, and God said, why don't you work on the Mustang? You can probably get it done within a reasonable amount of time, and you can get to work. So the good thing is that's the good in it. At least I'm making progress on the Mustang. Even if I don't get it fixed when she comes home at 3, I can get to work, and or I can always change my time card next week, but I'd rather just go into work like planned. And so here's the new radiator. I didn't take it out yet. Hopefully it's good. Probably is. And I started taking this stuff apart, take the old radiator out. I took this cover off. This cover's on here. It's pretty easy to take apart. And then you take that off. And then I took these things off. These are like braces or something. To hold this on. There's one on this side, there's one on that side. And anyways, put it down here for now. And then I took off the hose. Where is that hose? Oh, there it is, right here. Took this hose off. I'm just doing it little by little. When I watched the video, they started from the bottom, but I'm going to start from the top. And then I took off this, there was like a tank here, reservoir tank. That tank, I took that off. Just making some space. I don't know if I'm going to take this off or not. I could. It looks like the power steering fluid or something. But I might be able to leave it there. So that's it. So I'm going to start taking that hose off, and I'm going to get a flashlight. There's some, this is mounted and everything. The problem is you got this other thing. See how that's bent down there? This is the coil. That's the coil for the air conditioner. Hopefully it's not leaking. And hopefully I don't damage it more by taking it loose. But I got to take that apart down there. And then I can take out the radiator. So I'll just go ahead and keep doing it. I'll make a follow-up video, but it's pretty simple. If you look at the video, there's some screws. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's really not that bad. I just hope that see how it's bent? See down there? It bent in, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna have to do to make that right. But I'll take the radiator out first, and then I'll make the condenser coil right. Okay, well, that's it. That's in Bracing the Suck. And the good in it is, should have a car this afternoon, early afternoon, go to work, take care of that, and I'll have a car again. So it's kind of forcing me to get this done. I don't know if I would have done this. Probably on the weekend I'd have to do it, but because I need a car, I'm here working on it. So God knows what he's doing, and just remember, let's just try to do what Jesus tells us to do, so we'll be okay. And that's the main thing we do in life. But that's it. God bless. Bye-bye.